Rip currents are a hidden menace lurking beneath the waves, triggered by uneven water buildup along shorelines during strong waves or tides. These powerful, narrow channels can surprise swimmers in any body of water worldwide, from oceans to lakes. Despite their daunting strength, knowing their signs, breaking waves without a steady pattern, can be life-saving. In the event you're caught, the key isn't to panic, but to swim parallel to the shore to escape the current's grip. Awareness, combined with recognizing warning signs, like calm patches in breaking waves and following safety protocols, turns the tide in favor of safety. Understanding rip currents transforms the beach from a potential danger zone to a safe haven for enjoyment.